In this video, I have now added new buy orders for the Bitcoin price action as well as with Ethereum as I am buying more. But take a look at this, guys. We are currently seeing a possible warning with the Bitcoin as well as the crypto market. What will happen next? Stay tuned to know more. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa analysis natin kapon, we were expecting more consolidation within this specific around the 43 to 45k thousand US dollar area. And look at that, we are still playing within those area exactly. So yeah, as of the time being, yun lang yung nag-iisang analysis natin as of yesterday. But kanina umaga, nag-form din tayo ng symmetric triangle forming in the 15-minute time frame. You can see na meron tayong symmetric triangle. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, sa kahit saang analysis, kahit saang platform, in order to confirm a move, we must have a volume upon the breakout candle. And look at this, we don't have any sell volume, so this is not a confirmed breakout yet. But nonetheless, meron tayong mga iba't ibang kailangan na tingnan na indicators dito with the Bitcoin price action. It's not only with the 15-minute time frame, but if you're going to give you a quick recap dito, ang target talaga natin dito would be around the 42.8k US dollar area. Ito yung magiging technical target natin for the symmetric triangle, pero yun nga, walang sell volume. So, we are going to monitor that in the coming hours. Pero, ito yung gusto ko ipakita sa inyo, which is actually in the hourly time frame. So, let's try to look at this in the hourly and let's try to plot itong sinasabi nating nakikita nating bearish indicator, which is actually this increasing price while the RSI is declining. So that is somewhat indicating na we might now see a possible pullback na nga with the Bitcoin price. But take note that this is just only for the hourly, and this could be just an indicator na possible tayo na mag-consolidate or pullback kasi yun nga. If we're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, look at this. Sobrang layo na natin sa 20 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So at some point in time, we must go back dito or somehow consolidate in order for the 20 moving average to catch up. And if you're going to look at the previous pump, ganun din yung nangyari dito kay Bitcoin. So we actually made a pullback to the 20 moving average. And yeah, that is right now what we are expecting for the Bitcoin price, either na mag-consolidate siya dito in order for the 20 moving average to catch up, or possible na pullback na nga to the 20 moving average. Pero if let's say we are going to get significant buy volume, which is right now hindi pa natin nakikita upon dito sa area na yan, kasi kung magkaroon tayo dito ng buy volume, then of course we are going to entertain this possible double bottom pattern pa din in the daily time frame. Pero right now, this is not yet confirmed kasi yun nga, we are still getting resisted by the resistance around the 45,000 US dollar area. So right now, I am leaning towards a warning ngayon dito na it's possible na magkaroon tayo ng short-term pullback dito with the Bitcoin price. But guys, on top of that, meron din ako gusto i-share. I actually sold 10%, at most 10% of my Bitcoin and Ethereum. Binenta ko sila ngayon. And then of course, ngayon ang gagawin ko is, ibabuyback ko sila if ever na magkaroon tayo ng pullback. Pero if not, ilalagay ko muna siya sa mga ibang orders. But as of the time being, nagbenta ko ng Bitcoin and Ethereum. Kasi look at this, guys. Ito yung reason bakit. Nag-buy the dip ako ng Bitcoin at Ethereum, di ba? Naalala nyo? Nag-buy ako ng Bitcoin nung bumagsak si Bitcoin dito. Ito, around this area. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, I'll be buying more Bitcoin even if bearish. Kasi of course, that is a buying opportunity and I'm following DCA strategy indicating na at each level, regardless kung saan ako bumili, maglalagay ako ng buy order dyan at bili lang ako ng bili. Kasi yun yung ginagawa natin sa DCA strategy, regardless kung saan tayo mag-set ng buy order, okay lang yan. As long as makabili tayo ng Bitcoin, habang bagsak yung market, that is fine. Kasi take a look at this, guys. Umakit na ngayon yung market and those areas doesn't matter anymore. Kasi regardless kung saan ka bumili dyan, ang mahalaga is in profits ka. Kasi look at this. Even though na bumili ka dito sa taas, around the 38,000, you can see na you are still up 13% in profits. Pero if let's say na-catch mo nga itong area dito dahil sa DCA strategy mo, you can see na you are already up 22%. And let's say dito ka sa pinakabagsak na kabili at umabot ka sa all-time sa previous high nito, you can see na pwede kang kumita around 30% with the Bitcoin price action. So in this case, bumili nga ako ng Bitcoin at that area, around this area nga dito, around the 35k. And diba, sabi ko sa inyo, bili lang ako ng Bitcoin during this previous movement. And right now, since nakabili na ako ng Bitcoin, this normal spot wallet trade is already up 30%. So nagbenta ko kanina umaga ng Bitcoin. Partial sell lang ng mga around 10%. And then ngayon, nagset ako ng mga panibagong buy orders with the following asset. So as of now, nagdagdag ako ng buy orders kay Bitcoin, pati kay Ethereum. So as you can see, yung buy order ko kay Bitcoin is around the $39,500 as well as the $41,292. So meron ako ngayon doon buy order kay Bitcoin. And then as you can see, meron din akong mga remaining buy orders na hindi pa na-execute for Bitcoin, which is around the $28,000 as well as $32,000. Pero if you're going to look at my Ethereum buy orders, meron ako ngayon Ethereum buy orders din dito. Let's look at my Ethereum buy orders. So as you can see, meron akong Ethereum buy order at the $2,700, $2,450 as well as $2,000. Balikan natin yung kay Bitcoin para mas maayos. So ito yung itsura kay Bitcoin ng aking buy orders, 39.5k, 41.2k, 28k as well as 32k. So take note, ito lahat to are already in profits na nga kasi 'di ba, bumili ako ng previous dip, nag-gain ako ng 30%, nagbenta ako ngayon ng 10%. So in this case, ang nilalaro ko dito ay totally in profits na. Lahat to ay profits na lang. So pinaglalaroan ko lang extra profits natin dito with the Bitcoin price action. But the reason why 10% lang aking sinel, kasi most of my allocation in spot wallet are for my long-term investment. And then konti lang doon yung lalaro ko. Meron din akong mga tinatrade for futures and leverage trading. Pero karamihan ng pera ko ay nasa investment. And then meron din ako doon na konti nilalaro from time to time with the Bitcoin price action as well as Ethereum. So yun yung aking mga buy orders right now dito kay Bitcoin as well as Ethereum. And as you can see, yung aking mga buy orders pati yung mga pagbibili ko ng Bitcoin, ginagawa ko siya dito kay Bybit kasi dito, mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees as compared to Binance kasi kay Binance medyo mahal. Pwede din kay BingX if you want to trade with BingX. Pero for today's video, since Bybit yung ginamit ko for this period, I'm going to show you guys Bybit. Pero ayun guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade that with Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So ayun muna update natin for the time being with the Bitcoin price action, and that is what we are going to monitor for the time being. Now let's dive into the Bitcoin dominance and the altcoin markets and let's understand how is the altcoin market performing. So di ba kahapon ang minomonitor natin was this resistance for this Bitcoin dominance kasi di ba we were actually playing within this ascending channel, and di ba sabi ko sa inyo, in order for altcoins to remain healthy, dominance must decline. And look at this guys, right now we are now testing this resistance. So if mag-decline to, then this would indicate na altcoins are going to perform better. So let's say ang nangyari is nag-decline si Bitcoin dito. If let's say bumagsak si Bitcoin, pero at the same time bumabagsak din si Bitcoin dominance, then that would indicate na hindi ganun kalala yung mga bagsak na altcoin market natin, indicating na healthy pa din yung altcoin market natin as long as the dominance is decreasing. So in this case, that is what we are going to monitor with the Bitcoin dominance. It should not break this resistance kasi if ma-break natin yan, if let's say umakit tayo dito, then that is going to be bad for altcoins kasi that would indicate altcoins are going to bleed against Bitcoin. So with that being said, let's dive into altcoins so such as Ethereum. So diba sabi natin kay Ethereum, ang minomonitor natin kay Ethereum was actually this $2,800 as support and the $3,000 as resistance. And look at that, we are actually playing within those Fibonacci levels exactly. So right now, what is next for the Ethereum price action? So as you can see, similar with Bitcoin, meron din tayong nag-form na bearish divergence dito kay Ethereum price action. But on top of that, what you can actually look at this is meron din tayong symmetric triangle forming with the Ethereum price action. So this is actually one thing that you can monitor. And right now, there's actually two ways on how we can actually monitor this. And it's actually by getting the height of this triangle. Lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. Here is our bullish target. And here is our bearish target. So for our bullish target, ang magiging target natin would be around the $3,135. Pero yung ating bearish target is going to be around the $2,852. So yun yung ating monitor with the Ethereum price action, especially now we are seeing this ascending triangle forming in the early time frame. Diving into BNB, look at BNB. Wala tayong bearish divergence in the early time frame. Let's look at the early and look at this. The RSI is declining but the price is not increasing, so that is not a bearish divergence. So right now, we're going to monitor this, but I think this is looking healthy for BNB. So in the coming days, I think maganda i-monitor si BNB kasi look at this. Kasi let's try to look at the 4-hour time frame and look at where are we currently playing with the BNB price action. So as you can see, for BNB, I think we are starting to form a resistance dito with the BNB price action. So as of the time being, andito tayo sa resistance line na BNB. So if ma-break natin yan, then I might open a long position if magkaroon na tayo ng bullish breakout with buy volume. Pero if not, then I think we're going to consolidate dito with the BNB price action below this resistance line. But when it comes to pullback, medyo hindi ko masabi sa ngayon if possible na mag-pullback si BNB. But one thing's for sure is wala tayong bearish indicator forming with the BNB price action in the early time frame. And diving in with the SLP price action, look at this. SLP is just actually moving sideways. So right now, SLP is currently underperforming. But take note guys, if let's say ang nangyari dito is bumagsak si Bitcoin, at the same time, tumaas si dominance, then it's more likely na nababagsak lalo dito si SLP if let's say ganun yung nangyari. So in that case, that could be a good shorting opportunity. And yung shorting opportunity is, let's say, if kahit bumagsak si SLP, pwede mo pa pagkakitaan si SLP. So ang nangyayari is, kumikita ka ng pera, kahit bumagsak si SLP, you can actually do that. And one of the only place na you can do that is actually in Bybit. And yun nga, if you want to claim bonus ito, just use my sign up link. Pero if you want to know yung tutorials nito, or if you want to learn how to short SLP, you can actually check out this video. Itatry ko siya i-attach dito sa video natin in the description down below. Pero you can actually search this by searching how to earn in SLP even if bearish. I-search nyo lang yan guys dito sa YouTube, lalabas na yan. How to earn in SLP even if bearish. Then yung unang result dyan, yun yung ating video when it comes to earning more with SLP, and that is by using Bybit derivatives. And you can actually find this in YouTube, pero I'll try to leave this in the description down below if you want to check out this tutorial video on how to earn in SLP. So yun muna update natin for the time being guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye for now.